In this video, you'll learn how to build an enterprise resource planning system using Claude Code. This guide will walk you through the essential steps involved in creating a functional ERP application, explaining each phase of the process in detail. To begin, ensure that you have access to Claude Code on your system. Open the application and create a new project by navigating to the File menu and selecting New Project. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a name for your project. Choose a meaningful name that reflects the purpose of your ERP system. Next, select the programming language you wish to use for your project. Claude Code supports various languages, so choose one that you are comfortable with and that is suitable for ERP development. After making your selection, click Create to initialize your project. You will now see a new workspace with a project structure on the left side of the interface. Once your project is set up, you will need to define the modules for your ERP system. Modules typically include areas such as finance, inventory, human resources, and customer relationship management. To do this, create new folders for each module within your project structure by right-clicking on the project name and selecting New Folder. Name each folder according to the respective module. After creating the necessary modules, it is time to start coding your application. Begin by writing the code for the finance module. Open the corresponding folder, right-click, and select New File to create a new script. Write the financial management functionalities such as budgeting, invoicing, and reporting. Remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing progress. As you develop each module, consider the relationships between them. For instance, the inventory module should communicate with the finance module to reflect changes in stock levels and costs. You can achieve this by implementing APIs that allow data exchange between modules. Test each module thoroughly to ensure functionality before moving on to the next one. Finally, once all modules are complete, you will need to integrate them into a cohesive system. This involves ensuring that data flows seamlessly between modules and that user interfaces are intuitive. Deploy your ERP system by preparing it for launch, which may include optimizing performance and securing data. After deployment, monitor the system for any issues and make adjustments as necessary. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.